everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with yet another headband wig. Now, I got this headband wig off of Amazon, of course, from a store by the name of Mebeli. I think it's Mebeli. So make sure you guys check the description box below for all of the details. But they reached out to me and asked me to review their, I believe this is a water wave synthetic headband wig. I do know it's synthetic, but I don't know if it's water wave or deep wave. But of course, we will get into that a little bit later, because I got some stuff to tell y'all, really good stuff about this wig. So if you are interested in hearing a little bit more details about this wig, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs, 3 in the front, which is 1 in the center, 2 right here. Then there's a comb in the back. Of course, it has an adjustable strap, and then it had the black part where you can put a headband on top. You don't have to. Now, they did send me a headband, but that wasn't matching with anything I had going on today. But I do appreciate them for sending a headband, and they also sent a wig cap as well. But it was the net kind, so of course I don't really wear those, but I do appreciate it anyways. So again, this is from Mebeli. I believe I'm pronouncing that right, but this is from Mebeli. This is their deep wave synthetic headband wig. The density is 150%. The color is a natural black or a 1B, and the length is 24 inches. It retails for $19.49 on Amazon, so very affordable, under $20, under $30, you know. Y'all know. Now again, this is synthetic, but this is a super duper what can I say? This is a super soft synthetic wig, and you guys know how I feel about synthetic wigs that are super soft, that doesn't even feel like synthetic. Like, this feels like human hair. It looks like human hair. Like, I really do like this. Now, as y'all saw the wig in its natural state before I brushed it out, it had a nice, pretty deep wave pattern. But as soon as I brushed it out, like, it looks super cute, okay? Like, I like her. She's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So here's how it looks in the front. Again, it is 24 inches. So as y'all can see, it goes about right here. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. And here's the other side. So very cute. I like her. I didn't really notice any shedding. It's very minimum shedding, so that's good because y'all know how synthetic, well, y'all know how wigs are in general, but especially with like textured wigs, y'all know that they can shed, but it's very minimum shedding for this wig, so I really do like that. But this is really cute. I love the length, I love the texture, I love the softness, the density. I would have to agree with it. It's definitely, you know, more than you would think, but yeah. So I want to thank Mebeli for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know how you feel about this wig as far as the texture, the length. Go ahead and let me know how it looks on me because I'm looking real cute today. Okay. Y'all know yellow is definitely a color for me. So I'm looking like I'm looking super cute. So yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.